Hello my colleagues, in this video I will walk you through how to invest in Apple shares using the Bamboo investment app. I will also provide an overview of Apple and discuss the risk involved in investing in the stock market in general. I am excited to share this information with you as investing in US denominated assets is a great way to safeguard your wealth right here in Nigeria. Before we get into the video, I want to emphasize that investing in stocks is risky and there is no guarantee that you will make money. You could lose all or even parts of your investment. So it is important to do your research and understand the risk involved before buying or investing in any stock of your choice. With that being cleared, do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you can also join my email newsletter where I document my journey building wealth in Africa and also share investment opportunities every now and then. The link to join my newsletter will be in the description and comment section. And without much talk, let's jump right into today's video. Let's go. Apple is an American multinational technology company that designs, develops, manufactures, markets, and sells smartphones, tablets, personal computers, wearable devices, software, and services. Apple was founded in 1976 by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak in Cupertino, California. Apple is one of the most valuable companies in the world with a market capitalization of over $3 trillion. That's like almost 10 times the size of the Nigerian economy. The company is also one of the most profitable companies in the world with a total revenue for the 2023 fiscal year standing at 383 billion US dollars. That's almost the GDP of Nigeria, and a net income of nearly 97 billion. That's like their profits. Jumping into how to invest in Apple shares. Well, if you are in Africa and situated in Nigeria, you can invest in Apple using the Bamboo investment app. All you have to do is to download the app. I will leave a link and a referral code in the description and comment section which you can use to download the application, and I would really appreciate if you use my link and referral code to download the app. Now, once you have done this, if it is your first time on the app, you will need to sign up and do some KYC procedure, and that would require you to submit some documents about yourself like your BVN and NEPA bill, or you can see utility bill. This process is quite straightforward and will not really take much of your time, but after you are done doing your KYC, it's going to take some days for them to verify your account. Personally, I have an account, so all I have to do is to sign into the app. I need to be sure I have some money in my wallet before then proceeding in investing in Apple shares. So to check my wallet, all I can do is to click on this place that says Micah E at the top. And now when you go scroll through, you see that there is no place for you to be able to check it through there. So you click on this X button to go back. Now to check your wallet, you just scroll up. And then you can see in my Bamboo wallet, in my USD based wallet, I have $22. In my NGN wallet, I have 1,995 naira. Now, let me assume that you don't have any money in your Bamboo account. So to fund the account, simply click on this place that says USD wallet. And then when you click on it, you can see that you see the deposit button, you see the transfer button, and you see the withdraw button. If I wanted to withdraw my $22, all I have to do is to click on the withdraw button, I mean to say, and then I'll be able to withdraw. But let me assume I want to deposit in money, because that's what most of you guys would be doing. So you click on this place that says plus, and then put in the USD equivalent you want to fund your accounts with. Let me assume you wanted to buy, let me say $10 worth of Apple shares. So you put in $10. Now when you see the exchange rate on the Bamboo app is 1,669 naira. So it means that for you to buy $10 worth of Apple shares, you will need to fund your Bamboo based USD wallet with 16,690 naira. That's what is going to be debited from your account. So once you have put in, you just click on deposit, and then you click on the payment type you want to use to fund the account. Now you click on this one that says USD to credit card, and you see that the fees is 0.29 naira. So once you click on it, it will lead a floater wave page that you can then put in your card details and your information, and click on the pay, and you'll be able to now successfully fund your account. So there's no need for me to fund my Bamboo because I already have like $22 there. So all I have to do is just to use that money to buy Apple shares. So I click on the back button, click on the back button. Now scroll up, and then to invest, I'll just below you see a place that says invest in one of the tabs. You click on it, and then you see US stocks, Nigerian stocks, treasury bill, fixed return. So what we want to invest in is the US stocks. So we click on US stocks. It's going to load various US stocks. So you can see it has just loaded the US stocks they have on the Bamboo app, and you can see the first stock we have is the Apple Inc. Why you have the Apple Inc. is because the stocks are arranged in alphabetical order, and Apple starts with an A, so it's number one. So you click on Apple. Apple is trading for $221 per share, and the equivalent in naira is 369,683 naira 50 kobo. So if you wanted to buy one share of Apple, you need to put in 300. You need to fund your Bamboo wallet with 369,000 naira. But the good thing about using the Bamboo app is that you can buy fractional shares. So no need to fund the account with 300. You can use 16,000 naira to, with just $10 you can get started in investing. So what we want to do is to click on the place that says buy, and then there are different ways you can buy. You can buy every month. It means every month from your wallet, Bamboo is going to debit your wallet to like $10 and use it to invest in Apple shares for you. So this is actually a good way to hedge yourself against when the stock price falls. So let's assume that the stock price of Apple falls today, and you set up a recurring investment. It means as it's falling, it keeps on investing. Even though also when it's rising, as it's rising, it's investing. So this is a good way to hedge yourself. They call it dollar cost averaging. It's a good way to hedge yourself against losing money or huge money from the stock market. So you can use the buy every month, the buy now, the limit order, the stop order to place your trade. So for this video, we are going to be using the buy now, or let's just use the limit order. So you click on the limit order. So you put in the maximum price per share you want to invest. So the current price per share is $221. So the maximum price per share I want to buy is at, let me see, $200. So you click on next. Now, but the problem with this method of investing is that you cannot buy fractional shares. You can only buy it in whole quantity. So if you are investing with buy now, you see that you can actually invest with fractional shares. So let me click on the buy now. You can see that with with $10, you can actually invest using the buy now. But when you go to the limit order, you see that they don't give you the opportunity to buy fractional shares, and that's the downside of using the limit order or stop order. So let's just use the buy now. Click on buy now, put in the number of shares you want to buy. I want to buy $10 worth of Apple shares, and then you can see that the number of shares for $10 is 0.045147. So this is fractional shares. It's not up to one share in Apple. So I now click on review order, and then once I click on review order, I now put in the wallet I want to use to fund my account. So they are telling me that my buying power is insufficient. I only have 9.30, which is not. So for me to buy, I just click on, for me to get the remaining balance of $0.70. I'll click on my USD, and then I click on place order, and then it tells me that I'm investing when the market is closed, and for my trade to be successfully placed, I can proceed in placing the trade, but it's going to be successfully placed when the market opens, so when the US stock market opens, which is around 3 or 4 p.m. Nigerian time. Currently, this is 11 a.m. So for me to proceed, I just click on yes, and then it places the order for me. So guys, I hope this video has been helpful to you so far. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. I would also like to encourage you to do your research and understand a company or any company you want to invest in before buying their shares. Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your wealth, but it is important to be patient and disciplined. Do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also join my email newsletter and the investing community. Link will be in the description and comment section. See you on the next one. Deal.